Alright guys, just kind of having a wee play about this morning, the UDR out, just done a wee video on that and it's all been good. So in my video we'll see that the drive shaft broke, so I had to put the replacement one on, but other than that the car's been great. But I had my little drone with me today as well. I've got, I don't know if you hear me the wind, sorry, I've got a PARROT Bebop 2 drone that I sometimes use, so just thought I'd give it a little fly. It's a little windy just now, but I just thought I'd show you guys it. So it comes with, excuse me, where's the interface bit? Somebody just phoned me there now. Yeah, it comes with a sort of PARROT drone app. You can adjust all your flight stuff. You want to put your goggles on to fly at first person view. You've got your real-time camera. And you can fly it off your phone, but I prefer using the pad. But honestly, it's a brilliant little drone. I'll show you just now. Hopefully this will come out in the camera. But yeah, it's just kind of, it's got a homing device obviously for when you take off, but it's absolutely brilliant. It's 1080p camera, but it's still, on a sunny day, it still comes out amazing quality footage. I've had it for quite a wee while now, never had any problems with it. But it's just really, yeah, I just thought I had a wee shot to show you guys it. But I just think for the value of the drone and the quality you get and just the functionality, everything, you can put in sports mode, filming mode, you can have it pretty much unlimited height. I've had it up to almost in the clouds where I can barely see it, but I always get worried that if something goes wrong or that I'll not get it back, so I don't go too stupid. But you can see it there, it's really stable, it's quite breezy just now, and yeah, it's absolutely brilliant. And also you get a beep on the drone if there's any issues with like battery dying or anything like that. So yeah, I just thought I'd give you a quick show of it while I'm out. Not going to go too high just now because probably no point if I'm filming it and not see it, but I'll put the footage up here just now, just so if anybody's interested in a drone that's, well, it's not cheap but not superly expensive, I would say the Bebop's the way to go. Try to see if we can catch these birds. That could potentially be some good footage. Tilt the camera up a bit. Bring it back now though. So the wind up the top of the hills is really quite bad. I was up there earlier on with a UDR and it was really windy. But yeah, just a quick one, not really a review or anything, but just that's the drone I use for my films every now and then. It's never had any issues, you get about 25-minute flight time. The PARROT app's phenomenal. Yeah, it's never really let me down at all, so if you're after a drone guys, I would say not too bad a shout. Right, I'll just land this and get down the road now, but yeah, there you go, that's my drone, PARROT Bebop 2. Really recommend it if you're after a mid-price drone. It's really high quality. I don't think you can beat it, to be honest. Right, catch you guys later, bye!